So our antimicrobial solution leaves behind nanospheres that pierce the cell wall to viruses, funguses, molds, and pathogens, creating a safe, sanitized environment. So as that virus comes into contact with that surface, it's pulverized and broken up into billions of little pieces, therefore not allowing it to grow and mutate. Here at Spartan Sanitizing Solutions, we pride ourselves in the fact that we use only EPA and CDC registered sanitizing solutions. We use our Spartan Shield antimicrobial sanitizing solution, only one registered in both CDC and EPA registrations. We take pride in making sure that we use the best products as well as the best machines with the best team, with the most motivated and educated techs in the sanitizing industry. And we take pride in making sure that we sanitize using science, and our ESS Electrostatic Sprayers are the leading spraying system technology in the world today in the sanitizing industry. So when you want the best, you call the best, and Spartan Sanitizing Solutions is the best. We're about the community. We are in the preventative healthcare business, and we take that very serious. And I want to thank my team for doing their countless hours of overtime to ensuring the safety for every business that we enter. We treat that like it's our home. We make sure that that place is completely sanitized from the top to the bottom. So when you want the best, you call the best, and Spartan Sanitizing Solutions is the best.